Gusto ko pupunta doon bukas. Egg roll yun eh. Ang gusto nun eh. Meron pa ba tayong egg roll?
Meron naman akong egg roll yan ah.
Kain tayo. Ayan, magluto tayo, guys. Nilagyan mo ulit, Dong. Ano daw gusto nila?
Gumagawa na ng pagkain.
Ah, okay. Adobo, sis.
Ipainit ko sana yung pansit parang.
Mamaya, painit mo ah. Saan mo naman papainit dyan? May pagpapainita ka ba dyan?
Oo.
Sa isa?
Double burner.
Double burner. Painit mo na yung pansit dyan ah. Pwede pala.
Kain ko pa ito.
Kasi ka. Correct. At least may araw na ni. Bigyan tayo ng araw. Okay, go to the pool. Oh, oi, hey! Where are you going? Hey! Hey! Go! Where's... Oh, takbo siya. Ewan ko nasa na naman si Jade. Bayan talaga. Uy. Hirap magpalaki ng anak, guys. Asan si Jade?
Hindi ko alam.
Jade? Is Jade there?
I don't think so, no.
She's there inside. Jade!
She might be upstairs. What would you like her to do?
She said she's going swimming and I'm waiting for her.
I'll wait. I'll heat the oven up and I'll wait on the pizza.
I know, can you check with her? That's good. Good exercise, guys. Jilana, you okay?
Ilana, you miss your orange!
Run, Julene, run. What happened, anak? You okay? Well, I just want to make sure you're okay. You okay, anak? Asan na naman si Jade?
Hindi ko nga alam. Baka nasa taas nag-drawing.
Wow. And lutuan ni mother, oh.